At tama, di ba? So, parehas na parehas yun. Yun ang masasabi ko. I mean, ako na nagsasalita para sa prod and based naman sa mga ako as Jerome Ponce, alam nila kung saan ako nanggaling na project at medyo tumututok din ako from the book or this hanggang sa script, hanggang doon na sa director. That's why we have the relationship. And hindi naman namin sasayangin yung career namin kung papabayaan lang namin basta-basta yung trabaho namin. And we're still here, working. It means may trust na binigay sa amin to do the work, to do the job. And honestly, ginagawa lang namin yung trabaho namin. Gusto namin mag-inspire na itong pelikulang Pilipino natin ay talaga napakaganda, lalong-lalo na mula sa sulat ng kapwa Pilipino.
Salamat.
Yeah, actually yun naman yung unang-unang sabi ng production. Magiging loyal kami and we're gonna stick to the book talaga. Gagawin namin kung ano yung mga nakasulat sa libro. And at the same time, as an artist, your goal is to give justice to the role. To give life to that character. I really think the magic is in the preparation. So, hindi naman nila alam na nakaka-50 pages ka ng sinusulat dun sa character mo. I mean, people won't see that. But it's really in the preparation. You're gonna add depth to the role. So I think that's how you give life to the character. And, we're gonna do our best para ibigay talaga yung lahat na makakaya namin. Just, para, acting, this is a community project. So alam naman natin na lahat dito, we're aiming for the best. So yeah, we'll make sure na ibibigay namin talaga ang makakaya namin.
Okay.
Aside naman po sa mga sinabi nila, ako naman, I have read the book a lot of times and I have read the script a lot of times and I make sure na same and wala pong binago, binigyan lang ng buhay yung karakter. And yeah, I love the characters so much to the extent na hindi ko sila papabayaan. So, yun po.
Okay, salamat guys. Second question.